Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyway guys, there was this guy I was dating and it was too peaceful. Like even if I pour water on him, it's still peaceful. He didn't say like anything. Like he didn't say why are you doing this to me. He just like walked away. And the only thing he said that is like you are stressed, so I'll come another time. Oh my god. This guy didn't like react. Okay, I know pouring water on somebody is bad, but then I was just like, this person has never shouted, has never like slapped me, yeah, has never been dramatic. So I was just trying his patience and he never like, I never reacted. So and this other day again, I decided to like break the windows of his car. My friend, he didn't react. He didn't react, like he just was just there and he just said you maybe you're just angry, and I just understand which relationship lasting is just that peaceful. Well, me, I don't know. I've never seen one, and this one was being a red flag, not a green flag. So I was asking myself, or is he keeping all of these things in one cup, and then one day when it overflows, he will start reacting so badly. So another day, he just put a phone and I broke the screen. He didn't react. He didn't react. He didn't even shout. This person was so peaceful, and I love chaos. I love people who are dramatic. I love people who are shouting. I love just somebody who can slap me, but this one doesn't want even to slap me. Huh? He doesn't want even to slap me. He doesn't even shout at me. So this other day I just slept in and his TV fell down. And just say, you know what, we can just replace it. There is nothing much we can do. I'm like, but you're supposed to slap me, you're supposed to shout at me, you're supposed to even pack my things, and you just throw me out. And it's like, he was just like, it was a mistake, so why should I do that? Me, I just told him, now, guy, where we have reached, we just have to break up because you're too peaceful. You don't react, like you don't shout, and I love people who are shouting because that makes the relationship sweet. But now when I just do something and you just say, maybe you're stressed, maybe it was just a mistake. No, I'm doing these things so that you can shout at me, so that we can quarrel. Because couples who are not quarreling are not going to last. It was like him, he just love peace. I told him I don't love peace. So we're just breaking up because it's too peaceful. Yeah, it's too peaceful. But it was nice. But I was fearing that, the way people say that some people are so nice, but when you get married to them, they start now bringing their true colors. So that's what I was fearing. That's why I just decided to end things because it's too peaceful. Me, I like somebody who shows their true colors. Yeah, when we are dating, not somebody who just too peaceful, and then when you get married to them, they just start being dramatic. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, share.